Hi friends and fellow Disney fans. My name is Jamie and today I am at Disney's Coronado Resort. I'm a travel agent specializing in Disney vacations, and so I'm actually here this week getting to know the different parks and resorts, all to help my clients have a better vacation themselves. So today, what's on the docket? Gonna have some breakfast, and then we're gonna head out and check out some resorts and then end our day at the parks. So come along. Okay, now we are checking out Riviera Resort. This is a DVC resort, one of my favorites, but you don't have to be DVC to stay here. You can actually, anyone can stay here, which is really awesome. So let's check it out. So this is the lobby. It's a very tiny lobby for a deluxe resort. But look at these. It's very pretty. And then you have a little cafe over there, which is awesome. And here's my click the mouse team. Oh, love Alice in Wonderland. And then we got Rapunzel over here. You're the real life Rapunzel, Hinda. Bocce ball, some lawn activities going on over there, which is pretty awesome. Then we're gonna go check out the pool. Prima Beato is right in there, one of the best restaurants on property. This is the kids' play area. Little mushrooms and a water cannon. And you got some slides over here. And then you got little cabanas over here, which is so nice. You can kind of hang out and lounge near the pool. And then here is the main pool. You can usually get gelato ice cream when it's not freezing cold outside. Okay, now we are at the Polynesian. We just got done with Riviera. Love that resort. Now checking out the Polynesian, which it's like, it's home to me. I just love this resort. We're gonna see the new Moana rooms. Super excited about that. Aloha! Thank you. Okay, and there's pineapple Lania? That's where you can, Lani? That's where you can get Dole Whip outside of the parks. Here is the pool. You've never been here, Catherine, have you? No. No. This is exciting. So that was just the deluxe studios we saw. They have 2 showers. It's awesome for families. And then it sleeps 5 people. So tons of space. And then you also have that little kitchenette, which is great. You can make microwave food kind of thing, have a little breakfast. Awesome. This is honestly one of my favorite resorts. The quiet pool. It's really nice. I love this pool. Okay, so we are at the Contemporary now, checking out Steakhouse. What's 71? Thank you. That makes sense. We're checking out Steakhouse 71 and the rooms at the Contemporary here. So I'm excited to show you the new incredible themed rooms. Okay, so that was the contemporary. We had the, whoa, this is very echoey here. Sorry. So those were the contemporary rooms. We got to see the new incredible themes ones. Gorgeous. You guys can come here and eat Chef Mickey's. Love this resort, and it's only a 10-minute walk to the Magic Kingdom. So for families with little kids, or if you just want to have a spectacular fireworks view from your room, this is the resort to be. Hi guys, so it's Jamie and Catherine.
Hi.
And we just went to the resort, had a nice rest after our room tours, and now we're getting ready to head to the Magic Kingdom. So what do you want to do there? We're just gonna meander. We'll probably take photos and maybe go on a couple of rides. And you want to see the fireworks show, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Okay, so come along. So we just got here, and guess who we're seeing? All the Disney princesses here to greet us. It's just for us, right? It was awesome to see all of them. Like, how happy would our daughters be about that? They would be going crazy. So there's still the Disney magic. There's still the Disney princesses. There's meet and greets actually with Disney princesses. It's all still going on. Okay, Catherine, that was a good picture spot, hey? Gonna put some of our pictures up. Like, how beautiful is that? And it's not very busy, so.
No.
Okay, so Catherine, we are on our way to get some cheeseburger spring rolls. We're really hungry. We haven't ate dinner yet, so we had lunch at Riviera. It was really good. I had the croque Montessor, I think it was called. What did you have for lunch?
You know what? I didn't.
You didn't take a picture of it even?
No. I tried to look and take a picture of.
That travel agent. What kind of dessert did you get? The tiramisu. I had that too. It was really good. It was more coffee-ish than I was expecting, but it was really good. Okay. Here we are, cheeseburger spring rolls. I actually haven't had these before.
I haven't either.
Okay, so we got our cheeseburger spring rolls. Super excited to eat these. Can't believe I haven't ate these before. They look pretty good. They're like $9.50, and you only get like 2 itty bitty spring rolls, so better be worth it. Trying to find a place to eat. Here's a bench. So you got one of each.
I don't know which one's which.
Catherine got cheeseburger and then the 50th anniversary ones, which has pastrami and pepper jack cheese in it. I think you're eating, yours looks darker, so I think it's the 50th. Is it good? I like the cheeseburger one a lot. Right? Yeah. Is that the cheeseburger one? You like that one better? Yeah, 10 out of 10 recommend. It's super overpriced. It is. It's really expensive. But it's really good. So, and all park food's expensive. So we just went to Aloha Isle. Big tip, mobile order. Like, so much quicker, right? Like, the lineup was probably a half an hour long, and we put in our mobile order, and within like 10 seconds, we just said we're here, and we got it. And so we got the Tropical Serenade. It is coconut, ice cream, and kind of like a guava, it said, or something? Yeah, guava orange. But I love the coconut ice cream. It comes with a little carrot cake, I think. Oh, that's so good. Yeah. So good. This has been a good food day. Mm-hmm. Hi guys, so I want to say thank you so much for watching my vlog today. We visited tons of resorts and got to spend some time at the Magic Kingdom, which was really awesome. Tomorrow we are planning to go to the parks all day, so I'll be sure to vlog that. And if you are interested in your own Disney vacation, make sure to contact me. I am a travel agent specializing in Disney vacations, if you didn't pick that up from all the room tours and all that stuff. You can contact me through email, Jamie at clickthemouse.ca or through the website www.clickthemouse.ca/Jamie. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.